Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, there's some tuna that's already been pre-made. I have videos on how to make tuna. They're going to be on the links and in the cards. And then there's bacon, lettuce, tomato. We're going to put it on some of this nice Italian bread. And it's going to be a tuna BLT. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? You know, I've made a bunch of different BLTs, and I've made a lot of tuna recipes. And I said, why don't I combine them? And it's going to be a fast, simple, and easy recipe. First thing I'm going to do is put the toast down, and then I'm going to put this baby together because I haven't eaten, and I'm hungry. All right, this is lightly toasted bread, little mayo on both sides. Oh, yeah. Just get that tuna down. I have a classic tuna recipe that is in the links if you want to see how to make that tuna. Now we got the bacon. Oh, Mike. Oh, my goodness, Mike. Is that too much bacon? Well, I just took some right there. That'll make it easier. Here's the lettuce. Right there. And a couple slices of tomato. I told you it was easy. A little salt. Give it a little pepper. Let's flipperoo it. Oh, it's going crazy. Give it the old press. Here's the sliceroo. Here's the reveal. All right, let's get a close-up of that. All right, there's a close-up of the tuna BLT. I cannot wait for a big bite of this baby. No more talk. Now for the bite. The tuna still stands out, but the bacon and tomato that one was bacony. Tremendous combo. You gotta have one. If you like bacon, I know you do. Try this one. And try all my videos at LiveLife365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I was trying to be Sweet Babu funny with the YouTube now. I thought it was funny. I don't think so. This is good. I like it. Baba.